Sa osof na friend Kofi Oduro no. Minini ni asem. Ba me mpene ne bi. Nansia na mbegina ka say me hu bibi fa ho e kire say we nyame nipa. Ba onye very careful. The way I was sick can bi. Any said you see attack your D4 no. As what me ye program on
Ye nyankopon eya odie kosi ansana odie na bechre so die kosia ode tene yen so die kosia odan tasmedi chire ye yo ebasa ye kumano ebasa ye di hweno onu na wonim nia oreye abuja for mamu nyina makwa ba de baga na nsem TV so say the munyam refer me Mr. President but so be like video no na be subscribe to the channel no attend notifications be next time videos of this nature about so sabit makebi na enwuma am to dem to my era Dr. Large Mahmoud Baumia na so ye MPP amenyoku nia nya GDS 2028 be Fisi nyankopon eto da odi ekosie no de atenetene ye no no pani nim de oye abusu amene o kasa sisi ye ndisi asofo no ye Owusu Bempah mo ye papa Duncan Williams mo ye papa Agina Sare mo ira Kofi Oduro mo echa do montem echa na enne ndisi foni bi kasa contract e ho sensem na maja to montem because do ye hwe hamade no pepa nensa kwa aside say nyame adi for mu nyina ye nyame dipa no omusa ye nipa nti omuso ese omuso didi mane ye omuso ye nipa omuso mu ye bibi hwe omuso obusua iti ya normally ne na aban ne hwe omobos ye bema mo contract na muso mu de twa mo kakra na ye hwe ira Kofi Oduro ne nua direct cousin ene Julius Debrah ene hwe Owusu Bempah so a Ewade enam no so ema NDC so ba power hero Duncan Williams they are rooted in NDC. Hero Agina Sare ono so ne ba prekope ene Sam George. Enti obia so be kakra contract ne se obia nya na so ne de. Na allegation na call round say contract ni nyina ya kodi pa ko. Eno na yi da bi Owusu Bempah so ompene. Because to hear him don pepa nensa kwa. Akonchire Owusu Bempah ye. Akonchire Owusu Bempah di go from there. On sem fatasi be jane kwata sa. Into ndo masa uye nyame nipa na sa wo se wo de wo na wo de ndisi ba power na abeje contract nyina de ontwema te allegation giti Owusu Bempah to be mane na ira Kofi Oduro so to be mane o na ira Duncan so o chest be you see ira Duncan is a respected man of God and I think he should be respected but ndisi amenyo kudi mbodo fe so manya tumi awi to modwen se it means and these people, you should be very careful. Duncan is a respected man of God. He's one of the few watchers in this country. And the unction of the Lord is upon their lives. It will come as one year careful. Over pass mama home. It is said the most mobile power, mobile almost sakumano. Sabi epokron so tugum. No matter how they are established, they deserve to have things in their pocket. Bossa modesio mundi bossa no so why ebusame cha o come ko hwensem ne biasofo ne biaka ne yemresisia
NDC fontie anhweye ade onyame de amamo no 2028 muntimi nto aso me kasa so onyame difo ana yankrofo se political party bi ba ban mu a omutwa 2 terms omutwa 8 years NDC for mo de mo ho to sa asem we say so a mo be disappointed
all parties
only 1 term
you will be disappointed if you are not careful. You would only last for 1 term.
Because scale na me hu ye no.
Because the scale I saw,
the
power that brought you into power,
drop down.
The force and energy that brought you into power, started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it. Now you can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. If the members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message and they do not take the steps required of them to take, a time will come.
Mimi here bibi afri obi a ho.
Now,
and I will be promising me no disappoint me.
If
no obi akoka say bia ya promise no ya nyama no nti no de abufu obeka say amesra mo obi am promise me hwe.
Now,
I shan't come say me pe bibi.
I did not prophesy because I wanted something. I declared what the Lord revealed to me.
And I'm in solo no pamfa men chancing ko NDC ni bi also mama diane ni.
Now, and I'm not.
And I'm in cause NDC ni bi sika no so am fama me. And I'm dia abufu be say. Da bi dia me kan. Mo dia mo pa mo nchronto. Date ye say.
March 28.
Mo nchronto. If
you don't take a certain step you are supposed to take, you will lose power very early. But that is not what God determined for you. But you are rather doing for things to become. So please be vigilant. And remember your first love. The zeal, the force, the energy. You came to power. Remember and take the necessary steps. I am a servant of the Lord, a messenger, a carrier of God's word. Maybe this will be the last time I am saying this.
2028
until 2028. And when it gets there, that is when people will know that Prophet Bempah is a true prophet of the Lord. Ghanaians have not yet realized that Prophet Bempah is a true prophet of God. All the things God has used me to accomplish, they have still not realized.
NDC
members of NDC, listen here. Those in power, listen. The spirit that was backing you has dropped. The force and the power, the energy that pushed you into government, into power has dropped significantly. And you are dropping. And so, if you want to rule for 2 consecutive terms, then you must stir up yourself, or else
after Omampeni John Dramani Mahama NDC mubefra bam.
And now Sika involved in this scandal 11 million chopper Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher Momo some of my this useless NDC government and 11 million Ghana cedis now quacking for Fubutum na as a film. Now Kwanya Sika Efa Suko Din Crofubutum through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba benman, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tran dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo yusu ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin krofo bobotom. Na characters are involved that oma bo Ghana for krono we. Oma di Ghana for dream we. Eye Sami Jenfi. Oye Gold Board CEO. Ana ni otosu mienu. Eye Stan Logbe. Currently oye Deputy Chief of Staff. Onu ansu na ye owner of Wezo Group Company. Wezo Group Company. Sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV eye omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we. Na yen nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a every any baby akwa akoduru na kai se me say epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobeka ya na do danko akufuado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na one cry. Am I crying for na ham? It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building, and course I new building. Now NDC bar power. How more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes, almost be free on my old building Ako Bank of Ghana. On my old building now on my free mono. Now Muntini Hana create loot and share the woman. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. Eye well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing niema won bi chese bibia ye correct woman. any company ebetimi aye adwuma wo ma wombre. But Sami Jemfi said, we have 11 million Ghana cedis. No, they are renovation keke. Now, building in Yampu, no, they renovate you. Just a section, small parts of the building, and as Sami Jemfi, a percent, or yet that renovation, but also being here 11 million Ghana cedis. Sefim, you know, and concordant chain. Now, company, Sami Jemfi award the contract, you know, a man, Sefim. Corruption, conflict of interest, company needing at the Correct Ghana Limited. Correct Ghana Limited. Now, a subsidiary of Owusu Group Company. Mubeka is a mechanic says, Owusu Group Company, no. A stand-up or yet currently Deputy Chief of Staff for the year. Now, I had a conflict of interest in a Bemono. Munim say as Deputy Chief of Staff, literally, or to say Deputy HR. Of the government, ono no hwe appointees fuo nyina omo nsem so omo report to him inti Sami Jemfi literally report to some standogbe ana standogbe so ne mahama e free mo be kai mahama ko ba bia as deputy chief of staff or act like even bodyguard no pempem crofo timi boso jani bi kura sum some kai sanse no inti woni mahama ye free pa ana osan so ehwe Sami Jemfi ensem so or upper hand was Sami Jemfi so of a sort in terms of a organogram of the government enti or the sa ne tumi no ana akwaje sa contract no sa ne position or when this mu no eno no de akwaje contract na as if say contract we no o man go through competitive bidding no e so sourcing ye hampe case stand look be ne company correct no ye hampe ke no ana ye de contract ne man 11 million Ghana cedis na as if na you see in some no say Melkia. A bomb is things to the highest heavens. Now, me Bempah some of the facts. A be blow mind. You see, a da Sami Jemfi letter no. A de award the contract no. Emma with Correct Ghana Limited. 18th July. 18th July 2025. And then that's the whole no. 18th July. Sa day na. Ana Correct Ghana for no so. A true letter. Emma good board for say omo do omase omaje eye contract na tum omo be ye adwuma na omo be ye ni yi dey na now I had get interesting before say ubetimi aye say adwuma bi say no uhia eye certificate from eye works and housing ministry. Now can you imagine say at the time I near the contract no Emma eye company no correct no na certificate Omukwaji wo works and housing ministry. I no be enibu to work for the government in terms of say omoye renovation and na expire. And that's the whole no. O sha ase ho no ma. Ubon say ya tro say omo certificate no valid till 17th June 2025. 17th June 2025. Into omo certificate na expire 17th June 2025. 1 month after some certificates expire no and he awarded a contract in a mom. So in essence, they didn't even qualify. They didn't even qualify to be given that contract, let alone say yeah they be mom under so sourcing. But because of say stand dogwe deputy chief of staff unti. You know, ya come contract in the man. Ya bugana ye procurement law so. Oma bichi Ghana ye procurement law. Just to say omo person omo creating omo lutu no omo she omo di Ghana sika omo di Ghana for dwere munti. And as if I'm using seven no e do so ba me person video ne be wa. Na developing story nti menya kwan na ma cheche mu. Memma mo series of videos a cheche mu. Na as if stand up sika bebre a wanya we ndc mu. Nti 11 million anka NDC full soldiers, NDC full constituency officers, and regional officers. Anka okay can a big boom na more the contract more yeah kasebi. Almost whatever moody no a tunchana. So these are the kind of greediness a possible NDC abema. It will take them to a position. Sami Jemfi or a communication officer or science you CEO or national youth organizer or science you minister. Enti sankrofo we there few people be no mo Bempah hammer no and omo amase word and omo bogana for korodon. And that is literally what is happening with Gold Board Koreka Ghana Limited scandal. Many count as 11 million choppable Ghana cities. Now you been able to can say more watch out for series of videos I made about this, Madam.